And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 120. Let me show the manual retouching option. I'll add the same clip here yet again, and we go to video retouch. It's right at the bottom. The last option is called manual. Check the box and make sure that the dropdown is open. Then you have three options. First one is face, and with the size you adjust the brush. If you can't see the brush, make sure that this icon here is checked, and then you should be able to see it. And we can actually perform very extreme transformations here. In this case, it's certainly abnormal. If you're familiar with Photoshop, it's a little bit like the liquify filter. Intensity is then obviously the strength of it. Once again, you want to make sure that this icon is checked. Otherwise, you're just moving the layer around. Let me start fresh again with the original clip. Here again, video retouch. I check the manual. The other options are smooth skin and freckles and acne. That's both pro right now. So here are already the limits for the free version. But smooth skin especially, and also freckles and acne, that's a good feature, I think. See that here, if I go up gradually using the intensity, this smoothens the skin relatively reliably. Freckles and acne also works well in this case. She already has a lot of makeup on, but this further smoothens the skin. And let me get back to face. We also have this protect face option. And this protects basically the outer shape of the face. Doesn't allow you to create these extreme transformations that I've done in our first try. But yet again, it's also a pro feature. So in general, this manual option is okay. But if you're just using the free CapCut version, there's not much to do with it. You definitely need to have some credits, especially for the skin smoothening. Still, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.